Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want to speak English fluently? Then join me in today's episode of Daily English. Hi, my name is Valen. This is Cosmic Academy, and I'm here to help you learn English fast. In today's lesson, you will learn possessive adjectives and ways to apologize. As you watch the show, listen carefully and try to understand. Then, watch the grammar lesson with Gabrielle. After you finish the lesson, click the link in the description below for more free practice and quizzes of today's English. Alright then, I'll see you on the other side.
Can I help?
Yes, please. Set the table, dear.
Set the table?
I'll help you.
That's a good boy.
The plates?
Is your boyfriend Harold eating with us?
No, Harold is in Oxford.
Harold's bank has an office in Oxford.
Oh.
The knives and forks. Knife. Fork. And spoon.
Is the table set?
Yes, Agatha.
Good. Sit down, please. Dinner is ready.
Are we having dinner now?
Why, of course, dear.
What are we having?
We are having soup and salad. Do you like chicken soup, Elena?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, please put the napkins on the table, Victor.
Oh, sorry. Here they are.
My silly Victor. He forgets everything.
Everything.
Here is your soup. Help yourselves to the bread.
Thank you, Agatha.
You're welcome, my dear. It's so nice to have you here.
Yes, it's nice to have you here.
Thank you, Daddy. It's very kind.
Nonsense. Now let's eat.
How's your soup?
It's delicious.
What's wrong, dear? Don't you like it?
Well,
You don't feel well?
no, I'm sorry. It is a bit early for me. I am not really hungry.
Not hungry?
What time does your family eat dinner back in Spain?
We eat dinner at 10 o'clock at home.
Wow, imagine that.
We're usually in bed before midnight.
Elena, darling, you must forgive our strange English habits.
No, it is all a bit strange for me now.
My poor dear. You must be exhausted.
Maybe you should go to bed soon, Elena.
Yes, please. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. You go and sleep.
Thank you both.
Good night, Elena.
Night.
Good night.
Sleep well, dear.
Not again, Agatha. Don't do this to me again.
Why, my darling brother, what are you talking about?
Hi there, everybody, and welcome back to your English lesson with me, Gabrielle. I'm sure this sitcom is becoming easier for you to understand, isn't it? Good. Now, we know that every country has its own traditions and customs, but poor Elena is very surprised to see how early the English eat dinner. Now, I don't mind eating early, especially when somebody else is preparing my dinner. Okay, today in our lesson, we are going to look at the possessive adjectives in English, like my, your, his. We are also going to look at ways of apologizing to people. To apologize means to say that you're sorry for doing something wrong. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's go over the possessive adjectives. We have my. This is my bag. Then your. I'm your teacher. His for masculine. This is his hat. Dylan is so handsome with his hat on. But let's continue with possessives. Her for feminine. Its for things or animals. Our, your, and their. It's important to note that your and your, the contraction of you are, have the same pronunciation, so make sure you don't confuse them. This is your book, and you're very good students. Another important point is that the possessive adjectives never change. They stay the same whether the noun is singular or plural. So we can say my book or my books. Okay? Let's look at some examples. My friend Robert is American. Your friend lives in Madrid. His sister knows Heather very well. Her mother is a good cook. Lady Coco, my cat, loves its ball. Our father works in Toronto. Their house is beautiful. Remember that his sister is used to describe the sister of a man. For example, the sister of Sam, his sister. And her brother is used to describe the brother of a woman. For example, the brother of Jessica, her brother. Now, do you remember in the sitcom Victor forgets to put the napkins on the table? So he says sorry to Agatha. Well, sorry is a way of apologizing in English. We can also say, I'm sorry, or I apologize, which is slightly more formal. If you want to make the apology stronger, you can say, I'm so sorry. If you do something really bad, you can say, please forgive me. Now, if someone apologizes to you and you forgive them, you can say, don't worry. Like Agatha said to Elena, don't worry, you go and sleep. Or you can say, that's okay. Well, I hope you don't have to apologize too much in English. Anyway, that's enough for today. Thank you for working so hard, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
So how is today's lesson? Which part was the hardest? Was it the grammar? Was it the vocabulary? Tell me in the comments below. Now, just to recap the grammar, these are the possessive adjectives in English, and these are ways to apologize in English. If you want to improve your English fast, you have to practice it. So I'm giving you free exercises and quizzes to help you build your English skills. Just click the link in the description below to access my exercises. Also, are you looking for friends to practice English with? Join our Facebook group to practice English with real people like you from around the world. Click the link in the description below to join. Practice new English every day and you will improve fast. So thanks for watching today's lesson. If you learned something, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to watch the next lesson.